Hey, what's going on, Delta's World? I know it's been a while since I made a Firebird video, but we still got the bad boy. We still been doing upgrades. I will show some upgrades that we have been doing. But right now, we have caliper replacement. We got the ones that were coated. This one came out a little scratched, but it was definitely worth the extra $20 to get it coated already, besides the being scratch part. But that's what we're doing today. We're going to switch calipers. This one's good, but the other one on the other side isn't. It came to the point where, I mean, I could have bought just this part, but I think I just went ahead and bought the whole thing. But these bolt, where the bolts go on the other side, it's bad, and the caliper moves around back and forth. It's pretty bad, so I went ahead and just bought some new ones for the front. They look pretty sharp. A waste of money on my part, but definitely worth it on the other part. I didn't have to replace it all. That's why I say it's a waste of money, but it's gonna look good. Anything for the Firebird, right? Anything for the bird. Alright guys, we'll move on to the next side. I'm gonna show you guys what happened since it was bad. Since these things were bad, I'm gonna show you what it did to all of this, including the hub, to the strut, everything. Just this being loose and breaking for a while, it literally made everything else go bad, and I will show you guys. All right, on the next round. Okay, so this is what we got right now. The hub is bad. The rotor, it's got some like little ruts right there from the brake caliper moving around, and the brake's not braking right. So it didn't get completely ruined. It's still usable, but that could have been ruined. This could have been, this is ruined. So this is what was bad. These things right here, you can tell. Oh look, it came out. I don't think they're supposed to come out. Maybe they are. I don't know. I just know when it's on there and you grab it, I mean, it just goes back and forth. It's not supposed to do that at all. Like, it is not supposed to move. It's supposed to have, like, if it put pressure on it, it's supposed to somewhat, you know, for tension part, for, you know, purposes, but not like move around and pop while you're turning your wheel. Like, that's, it's not supposed to do that at all. But like I said, I could have just bought this situation, saved me a lot of money, but I went ahead and got the new calipers, and it's definitely an expensive fix if you don't ever get to it, because they'll destroy the rest of your suspension. It destroyed my wheel hub and my strut. I don't think it was like fully from this, but I think our roads here in this town are just really shit. And it's just bad. But I'm sure from it moving around the wheel and just not, you know, where it's supposed to be, the wheel, and moving around, I think it could have possibly made it go bad quicker. So what I'm gonna have to do is, now that I got it all apart, I'm gonna have to take the strut off, replace it, and go ahead and replace the caliper. On to the next. Alright guys, so as you can see how it looks, and then we'll take it to the other side. Looks pretty clean. We got the shock, everything changed out. Hopefully it's fixed. That was a lot of work, and it's fucking hot outside.